Hi, this is Camille Jasmine with today's Oceans of Opportunity. Today we're going to talk about something I've been helping lots of my clients with over the last few years, and that's investing. Today's investor's focus is going to be on economic criteria. We want to focus on 4 separate areas when we're looking at our numbers. The first is price range, the price range in which you want to buy. Secondly is the discount you will require to make this a good investment for you. The third is the cash flow you'll have to receive or expect to receive in return for this investment. And the last is the appreciation you'll make over time with this property. So obviously, the price that you will pay will directly tie into your cash flow and your appreciation. And 2 more issues we've got to pay attention to. The first is hassle, and we measure that by how difficult is it to deal with that tenant? How much time and energy and work is applied to that? And secondly is the liquidity. In other words, if we had to sell this property, how quickly could we possibly sell it? So we're going to get into 4 broad categories we want to be aware of when we're investing. Okay, so let's go over these 4 areas. We have cash flow in green. So at the very low end properties, we see that that's very high, and it does decrease as we get over to the higher end properties. The second is hassle. We find that at the higher points, at the very low end and at the very high end of the market. Appreciation, we see just the opposite. It's kind of lower at the lower end properties, goes up and comes back down at the very high end properties. And lastly is liquidity, and we have even a steeper curve of that reflecting the appreciation. So where we want to focus is in the middle of the market right here. You can see that that's higher points for all of these curves. Okay, and this is my favorite chart for these 4 criteria that you want to take these items into consideration. And you'll see that within the lower end here, you'll find the sweet spot. That's where the best deals are found. So the low-end properties can provide you some great returns if you're in there for the long haul and you don't have to worry about liquidity and the appreciation so much, and you're just going to get good positive cash flow for a long time. But it's highly recommended to stay toward the middle of the market to identify more of the bread and butter properties that reside right there. And that's your Oceans of Opportunity for today. This is Camille Jasmine. Have a great day.